How to group multiple products into one product listing. Welcome to this tutorial on how to group multiple products into a single product listing in CustomCat. This feature is great for offering different variations of a product, such as different colors or styles, all within one listing. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. To begin, go to the Create Products section in the left navigation menu and select Create a Single Listing. Note that you can also group products using the Advanced Tools feature, which is covered in another tutorial. Next, choose the store where you want to create the product listing. Start by creating the first product, such as a G500 t-shirt. First, select the colors you'd like. We're going to select black and navy for this tutorial. Then edit the size variants you would like for this listing. Click on the Design tab to upload your design, or select one from your design library. Once you're happy with your product, click Next. From here, adjust the product title, description, cost, and tags, and then click Next again. When prompted, select Create Another Product to add the next item to the group. A common use for the grouping function is to add a different variant to the product listing to support an additional size. For example, the G500 t-shirt we just created does not carry an extra small size. So for this tutorial, we will need to find a product that can be used to support an extra small variant. This will allow us to add an extra size to the listing by selecting a similar variant without creating an entirely new listing. We'll use the categories on the left side to find a similar t-shirt. For example, you can add a Bella 3001C t-shirt, selecting the same black and navy colors and opting for only the extra small size. Then, access the Design tab and select your design. When everything is to your liking, click Next. Adjust the title, description, cost, and tags for this product as you'd like, and then click Next again. This time, you'll see the option to click Export Products. Proceed with that, and you'll be taken to a summary of your export. To group these products into a single listing, simply select both products by clicking the checkboxes next to them, then click the Group button on the right side of the screen. In the pop-up window, enter your product title, description, and tags. Keep in mind that the description and tags you add here will replace those on the individual products. Once you've entered the necessary information, click Save Product. Now your products are grouped into one listing. To review your grouped products, click on the group title on the left side of the screen. Check that the variant details are correct and make any adjustments to the export settings if needed. Once everything looks good, click Export All in the top right corner. After the export is complete, you'll see a message saying, Export Successful. At this point, you can either click View in Store to see the product in your online store, or View in CustomCat to view it in the CustomCat My Products section. Please note that while this grouping feature works with most integrations, it's not fully compatible with Etsy. For more tutorials, FAQs, and helpful tips, visit CustomCat.com